Then let's do question 513. 513, right? And then cos 450 minus beta, right? 450. So how do you deal with this? Remember, this is 0, 90, 180, 270, and then 360. That's a complete revolution. So we've gone like complete revolution 1. And then when you come back here, 360 plus 90, this is actually 450. So meaning that 450 is just same as 90, isn't it? So I'll show you two methods for this. Cos 450 degrees minus beta can actually be written as cos 90 degrees minus beta. Okay, and then we know that from the cofunctions, cos 90 minus beta is just the same as what? It's just the same as sine beta. Therefore, cos 450 degrees minus beta is equal to sine beta, which is what? 1 over 3. Right? We can also use the compound angle formula. Let's try to do that. Cos 450 degrees minus beta, right, is equal to cos 450 degrees cos beta, right? And then plus, this minus here, plus sine 450 degrees, then sine beta, right? Cos 450 degrees, sine 450 degrees. We said cos 450 is same as cos 90. Sine 450 is just same as sine 90. So this is equal to cos 90 degrees times cos beta, then plus sine 90 degrees times sine beta. And then remember, cos 90 is 0, so it takes 0 times cos beta. So this whole thing becomes 0, then plus sine 90 is 1, and then 1 times sine beta. And then this is 0, so it becomes 1 times sine beta, and then sine beta is what? Is 1 over 3. So this is 1 over 3. Okay, we're getting the same answer.